Everyone wants to change their life overnight. They sprint for 7 days and wonder why they burn out on the 8th. They chase motivation, they chase hype, but hype fades. What doesn't fade is consistency, because greatness isn't built in explosions. It's built in repetition, every single day. The problem. The truth is, most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they only move when they feel inspired. They wait for motivation like it's some magic lightning bolt. But motivation is temporary. Discipline, that's permanent. Intensity gets you started. Consistency keeps you going. Studies from University College London found it takes an average of 66 days to form a habit. Not 7. Not 14, 66. That's 2 months of showing up when no one's watching, when it's boring, when you don't feel like it. That's where success hides, in the days that feel ordinary. The truth. Let's look at how the brain works. When you repeat a task daily, your neurons begin to connect stronger pathways. This is called neuroplasticity. That's how habits are born. Your brain literally rewires itself through repetition. Intensity lights a fire. Consistency builds a furnace. Think about it. A person who works out 20 minutes every day for a year beats the person who trains for 3 hours once a week and quits after a month. A writer who writes 200 words a day finishes a book. A student who studies 30 minutes a night masters the subject. Tiny actions, massive results. Real-world proof. Warren Buffett didn't build his fortune through big risks. He built it through compound growth, one patient decision at a time. Athletes like Kobe Bryant didn't rely on motivation. He practiced at 4 a.m. every day for years. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, wrote, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems, and your system is your consistency." Think of a dripping faucet. One drop means nothing, but let it drip long enough. It fills a bucket. Let it drip for years. It carves through stone. That's the power of consistency. It doesn't scream. It doesn't rush. It just wins. Quietly. Mindset shift. The Stoics understood this centuries ago. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." He didn't say rush through it. He said persist through it. So stop chasing intensity. Intensity makes you feel powerful for a moment. Consistency makes you powerful for life. The small daily effort, that's your weapon. The slow progress, that's your edge. Because every time you show up, even when you don't feel like it, you are proving something powerful to your mind. I am not driven by emotion. I am driven by purpose. Closing challenge. So today, forget being perfect. Forget being fast. Just be consistent. Wake up and move 1 inch closer to your goal. Do it again tomorrow, and again, and again, because intensity starts the race, but consistency wins the marathon. Remember this, the unbreakable mindset isn't built in a day. It's built every day. Now go build yours.